Okay, so another one question is that in a Kepler potential, the pericentered distance of a particle in a parabolic orbit is RP. When the radius of the when the rad, sorry RP when the radius of the circular orbit with the same momentum is RC, then okay. So it is saying that there are two orbit, particle is moving in both orbit having the same momentum. uh, the circular orbit has the radius r, and the pericenter distance for the parabolic orbit is rp. And we have to find the relation between them. So let's do this calculation. So the angular momentum L is equal to given by mvr. Okay, so more clearly we can add mv cross r cross, sorry, yeah, r cross p, which is m r cross v. So this is the angular momentum. So in case of circular orbit, r and p are always r and p are always perpendicular. So we can write the angular momentum like this, mvr for circular orbit. So v is the velocity, and r is the radius, the radius in which the particle is moving, and it is given to be rc. So mv rc. So this is the thing. Yeah, now the same there is another particle which is moving in the parabolic trajectory, like this, sorry, like this, and its distance from the, and this is the rp distance. Okay, so when the particle is at its pericentered, its momentum will be around to the tangent. In that case, suppose this is center, origin. In that case, its angular momentum will be mvrp. So do you get my point? This is rp, this is angular momentum. So if particle moves under the central force, it has a trajectory, or its trajectory is given by the relation r is equal to L square by mk divided by 1 plus e cos theta minus theta naught. So this is the given. So at pericenter, theta minus theta naught will be taken to be 0. So this will become 1, and for parabola e is already 1. So rp will be given as L square by mk by 2. Okay, for circular orbit, eccentricity is given to be 0. In that case, so eccentricity is given to be 0. In that case, r will be rc will be given by L square by mk by 1. Okay, so that is rc, this is L rp. So now you can see rp is equal to rc divided by 2, which is rc is equal to 2 rp. So this is the solution for this. Thank you very much.